Hey, this is Peter. I'm out here at Kriete Truck Center in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. We're looking at a 2020 KENWORTH T680. This KENWORTH has been through our shop, detailed. It's got 531,000 miles on it. It's in wonderful shape. Yep, the rims are in wonderful condition. This truck was taken care of very well. We do have financing options available. We have several other Freightliner and KENWORTH just like this truck. Again, this has 531,000 miles on it. We do have financing available. Come out to Fond du Lac, go for a test drive. My number is 920-934-0867.